Welcome to our YouTube channel. Today, we're going to take a deep dive into the world of genetics and DNA. Genetics and DNA are fascinating subjects that have been the subject of research for decades. In this video, we're going to explore the characteristics of genetics and DNA, their influence on our lives, and how they can help us better understand ourselves. Chapter 1: What is genetics? Genetics is the study of how traits are passed down from one generation to the next. Every living organism has a unique set of genes that determine their physical and behavioral characteristics. These genes are made up of DNA, which is a long, complex molecule that carries genetic information. Chapter 2: The characteristics of DNA. DNA is the blueprint of life. It is made up of 4 nucleotides: adenine, thymine, guanine, and cytosine. These nucleotides pair up to form the rungs of the DNA ladder. The sequence of these nucleotides determines the genetic code that determines an organism's characteristics. Chapter 3: The Human Genome Project. The Human Genome Project was a massive international research effort that aimed to map the entire human genome. This project was completed in 2003 and revealed that humans have approximately 20,000 to 25,000 genes. This information has been incredibly valuable in understanding the genetic basis of various diseases. Chapter 4: The Influence of Genetics. Genetics plays a significant role in shaping who we are as individuals. Our genes determine everything from our eye and hair color to our susceptibility to certain diseases. Studying genetics can help us better understand these traits and how they are passed down through generations. Chapter 5: Epigenetics. Epigenetics is the study of changes in gene expression that do not involve changes to the DNA sequence itself. These changes can be caused by various environmental factors such as diet, stress, and exposure to toxins. Epigenetic changes can be inherited and can have a significant impact on an individual's health and well-being. Chapter 6: Genetic Testing. Genetic testing has become increasingly popular in recent years. This testing can help individuals better understand their genetic makeup and identify potential health risks. However, genetic testing also raises ethical questions, such as the potential misuse of genetic information. Conclusion: genetics and DNA are incredibly complex and fascinating subjects that have the potential to help us better understand ourselves and our world. Studying genetics can help us identify potential health risks and develop targeted treatments. It can also help us better understand the world around us, from the diversity of species to the complex workings of our own bodies. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the world of genetics and DNA.